Questions Children Ask, presented by Kayla Latham. Special narration by Kyle Perkins. How do lightning bugs light up?
You might have heard of the elusive lightning bug, also called the firefly. Those little critters that fly around your yard in the summertime, lighting up and having a good old time.
In the United States, people call them both lightning bugs and fireflies, a lot of times depending on which region you live in. You can see on this map all of the different regions that call them fireflies, lightning bugs, or both. But here in Tennessee, we just call them lightning bugs.
Right, these little bugs are winged beetles. Yeah, beetles that light up with an impressive phosphorescent glow, yellow, green, or pale red.
Fireflies glow for many reasons, like to attract mates or prey, and to communicate important messages to one another, kind of like secret Morse code that only the other lightning bugs can understand. Their glowing is also useful for us. The chemicals from fireflies can be injected into diseased cells, and based on the way the cells change, scientists can study diseases like cancer and muscular dystrophy. About 2,000 species of firefly are found in temperate and tropical environments.
Many are found in marshes or wet wooded areas where their larvae have lots of good yummy food.
And I bet you didn't know their larvae glow too.
They are sometimes called glowworms because they look like little glowing worms. Here is a field of fireflies lighting up. Their green lights blink on and off as they fly around in a bunch. And sometimes their lights are synchronized to go on and off at the same time, which makes a brilliant show of glowing light.
But just how do these amazing glowing fireflies light up? Is it heat, electricity, or magic?
No, it's bioluminescence.
Bioluminescence is rare in animals on land. Lightning bugs are one of the few. Most animals who use bioluminescence are deep in the sea where there is no light. They use bioluminescence to confuse predators, to draw in their prey, and to attract mates.
Here is a squid, anglerfish, and a Bermuda fireworm. These are some examples of species that have special chemicals in their body that combine to make them glow. These mushrooms do the same thing, and when the chemicals mix together inside them, they use bioluminescence to glow green.
Some animals make their own light and carry it around in their bodies. These animals have a trait called bioluminescence. In a bioluminescent reaction, chemicals are mixed together to make a glow. Chemical reactions always make energy. Most chemical reactions that produce light also produce heat. But in bioluminescence, the energy from its chemical reaction makes only light. It's similar to what happens in glow sticks. They have special chemicals in them, and when they mix, the chemical reaction makes energy into light.
Right, it's all possible because of the chemicals luciferin, luciferase, and oxygen, which combine together to make an awe-inspiring, brilliant glow of light. These special chemicals are inside the lightning bug's abdomen, which is like its little tummy area. They combine and create something called a chemical reaction. Most chemical reactions produce heat. However, for our little friend the lightning bug, the chemical reaction produces light. Reactions like this are called cool light. And whenever the chemicals mix together, bam, there is a phosphorescent glow of green light.
I hope you learned a lot about fireflies from this presentation. The end.